If you're expecting a baby and living in an apartment, you might be wondering, how on earth is this tiny human going to fit into my already tiny space? Don't worry, you're not alone, and yes, you can absolutely create a cozy, functional home for your growing family right where you are. Welcome back to Newborn Care Guide, the channel where we help American parents navigate the beautiful chaos of newborn life with confidence and calm. Today, we're talking all about how to get ready for a baby when you live in an apartment. Whether you're in a studio in Manhattan or a two-bedroom in the Midwest, these tips will help you maximize space, stay organized, and create a baby-friendly environment without feeling cramped. 1. Rethink the nursery. You don't need a whole room. Here's the truth. Newborns don't need their own room right away. For the first few months, the American Academy of Pediatrics actually recommends room sharing, not bed sharing, so your baby can sleep safely in a bassinet or crib next to your bed. Instead of dedicating an entire room, carve out a nursery nook in your bedroom or living room. Use a small crib or bassinet, a slim changing table, and a compact storage cart. A privacy screen or curtain can make it feel like a separate space without taking up much room. 2. Go vertical with storage. In apartments, floor space is precious. So think up, not out. Wall-mounted shelves, hanging organizers on closet doors, and over the crib storage can keep essentials handy without cluttering your limited square footage. Use labeled bins or baskets to organize diapers, wipes, burp cloths, and swaddles. IKEA-style cubby shelves or rolling carts can be real MVPs in a small nursery corner. 3. Choose multifunctional baby gear. When you live in an apartment, every item needs to earn its keep. Opt for baby gear that does double duty. A bassinet that turns into a play yard, a changing pad that fits on top of a dresser, or a high chair that folds flat when not in use. These things can save both space and sanity. Avoid oversized swings or bulky baby tubs unless you truly have room to spare. And for clothes? Stick to the basics. Babies grow fast, so a minimal wardrobe with layering pieces is more practical than dozens of fancy outfits. 4. Baby-proof smart. Not excessively, you don't need to baby-proof your entire apartment from day one. Focus on safety essentials like securing furniture to walls, using outlet covers, and locking away cleaning products or medications. Once your baby starts crawling, usually around 6 to 9 months, you can reassess and add cabinet locks, corner bumpers, or baby gates as needed. Until then, less is more. 5. Think ahead about stroller and car seat storage. If you don't have a garage or mudroom, storing a stroller and car seat can be tricky. Look for lightweight, foldable strollers that can stand upright in a closet or corner. For the car seat, especially if you don't have a vehicle and use ride shares, designate a closet shelf or storage cube for it when not in use. You can even hang diaper bags and baby carriers on wall hooks to keep things neat. 6. Create a feeding station. Wherever you are, whether you're breastfeeding, formula feeding, or doing a combo, having a go-to feeding setup will make life easier. Choose a cozy chair or glider, even if it's just in a corner of your living room. Add a small basket nearby with burp cloths, water bottles, snacks, nursing pads, and whatever else you reach for during those long feeding sessions. And don't forget good lighting. A soft night light or dimmable lamp is perfect for middle-of-the-night feedings without waking everyone up. 7. Keep it calm and clutter-free. When space is limited, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's why it's important to do regular mini declutters. Once a week, go through baby items and remove anything your baby has outgrown or no longer uses. Rotate toys to keep things fresh without overflowing the toy bin. Keep only what you truly use, and don't be afraid to say no to hand-me-downs that won't work in your space. 8. Talk to your landlord. Yes, really, if you're planning any small renovations, like mounting shelves or adding baby gates, it's smart to check in with your landlord or property manager first. Some leases limit modifications, but many landlords are understanding when safety is involved, especially if you offer to patch things up when you move out. If this video helped you feel more prepared for baby life in your apartment, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Newborn Care Guide for more real-life tips and parenting support. Got a favorite small space hack? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear what's working for you. No matter the size of your home, what matters most is the love, care, and intention you put into it. Your baby won't notice square footage, they'll notice your arms, your voice, and the calm, safe space you create. You've got this. Thanks for watching Newborn Care Guide, and we'll see you in the next one.